Following the report of the Minerals Commission to the Chief Inspector of Mines with recommendations of grave violations of the Mining Act and mining regulations, a recommendation for revocation of some of the mining leases here, Salma, Kango, and others were recommended. The minister agreed with them. There was a petition, and we formed a ministerial review committee to look at it. That work has come to an end. And I have concluded as a minister to uphold the revocation. What that means going forward is that the Minerals Commission should, with immediate effect, take administrative control of this mine. Work with you to ensure that workers are paid, and work to make sure that the processing plant is up and running and all the safety issues addressed. Take remedial measures to also ensure that we protect not only the sanctity of this mine but jobs of employees, which is really the preoccupation of the president. But I think it's also very critical that my understanding is that there has not been, a lot of them have not only been paid but have been made redundant. And that has to be addressed with immediate effect and make sure they come back to work. And then we can make sure that the next steps are taken. In the meantime, we, with the media here, will give you a very clear statement on the basis of why this is important. And everything that we've done is to be done it across the board. We'll make sure that we've given the Adamus the right of hearing. And I think that we've gotten to this point where the priority is to make sure that the interest of the country, the mine, workers who work here, and the sanctity of this mine and the safety of it should be the top priority of government. And so that's why we're here, and we want to make sure that this mine is up and running. And so the Minerals Commission will be working with you to make sure that all these outstanding matters are addressed with immediate effect, and to assure the workers here that the intent is always to make sure we work with them to protect their jobs and to make this place a place where, quite frankly, they'll wake up every morning and feel happy to come to. This is what the plan is, and to work with them and to make sure that the necessary investment required to transform this mine is done. So we are very grateful for the cooperation. We're very saddened about the unfortunate accident. But I believe that this man has a future, it has a real potential, and working together we will make sure that the story of this mine will be told in a very positive way going forward.